Ever felt overwhelmed by the sales process? You're not alone. Introducing Lily, your AA sales agent. With Lily on your side, product conversations, lead qualifications, and meeting bookings become effortless, just like your best reps. Imagine the focus you'll gain as Lily handles discovery and objections, enabling your team to close more deals. Unlock the power of self-guided discovery and watch your prospects qualify themselves as Lily automatically assesses fit and engagement. With AI-recommended demos tailored for every persona, you'll showcase your product perfectly every time. And here's what makes Lily stand out: she's available 24/7. No more scheduling woes. Ready to transform your sales process? Take your first step today. Visit our site to learn more about how Lily can elevate your sales strategy.